Hello, dear ladies and gentlemen. My name is Alona. I am a representative of iTrade holding company. So today I'm going to give you the full information about the possibility how to earn and to get the right profit and benefit. So to be more successful for actually a long-lasting project. And let me start. So in front of you there is a slide show. So I'll follow the pages, so we'll follow together. As you see, there is a content which consists of different parts, different items that we are going to speak about. So as all companies, iTrade holding company has its own history, and a group of actually very smart people, traders, IT specialists, created a product, the robot, which profits actually from 10 to 30%. And I'm going to tell you about the unique company that allows to reach incredible heights and to gain financial independence. So it happened more than a year ago, and like I mentioned, a group of people that includes traders, analysts, developers, and IT specialists, they created a product so that robot actually makes profits, the income of which was at least from 10 to 30%. And the strategy of our team is robotic trading in the Forex market, trading in the cryptocurrency market, and investing in the startups. So in order to reduce risk and to automate the work on exchanges, we have developed our own robots. So special programs as well as our extensive experience enable us to diversify risk in order to receive for themselves and to receive a profit for themselves and investors. Our mission is to create a large pool of investors from around the world and to meet like-minded people who will go to success and financial well-being with us. Well, as you see, we have our directions, and there are 5 of them. The first one is Forex trading. That is the robotic automatic system which appreciates the situation on the market and opens deals in automatic mode. So the second one is mining. So mining is at the freezing stage at the moment, and as soon as the situation changes, we will start it again. As for financial startups, if you have any interesting ideas or projects related to financing, then iTrade holding company looks for investing in such projects. So as for trade, as well as mining, cryptocurrency trading is not active as the market is at the stage of decrease. And the last one is MLM. So in the nearest future, the direction with a unique product that has no analogs will be launched. So let me tell you what is a robot advisor. That is an automated system that trades according to a certain strategy, and it follows the programmed algorithm, and it can access and monitor the situation on the market and perform operations by opening transactions in the MetaTrader 4 platform in automatic mode. So the expert advisor takes into account the movement and price changes and places orders at the time when the transaction can make a profit. So the orders are closed automatically at the most favorable market indicators and do not allow any loss. And after numerous testings, the robot advisor has been improved, and its participation in trades provides the maximum benefit from the transaction and competent money management. As for cryptocurrency mining, what is mining actually? So one of the main directions of our work is mining, or so-called mining cryptocurrency. So we deal with them by using farms, so-called complexes consisting of computers and additional equipment. And iTrade holding company knows all the details in the of the cryptocurrency production process. So we know for sure how to optimize it in case to increase the margin. And so the fact is that the cost of digital money depends on two factors. The first one is the cost of equipment, and the second is the price of electricity. So for making production of digital currency more profitable, it's vitally important that electricity should be cheap. And of course, to reduce the cost of it is available in several ways. You can use it by working solar panels, or actually, in addition, excess capacity can be purchased from farms with generators. That is not all. To make mining more to make profitable, you need to produce exactly the currency, the value of which is growing at the moment. Next is financing startups, as I mentioned. So if you have any interesting projects or ideas related to financing, then iTrade holding company actually looks for investing in such projects, and we are ready to support smart ideas. And as we have a great experience in the field of investment, careful analysis of startups and access to information allow us to invest our own funds as well as customer funds in the most promising and interesting projects. And our mission is to find and support the most talented entrepreneurs in the world, to help them create successful companies on a global scale and to build a thriving global ecosystem. We believe that actual great creators, they come shades, genders, nationalities, cultures, traditions, and so on, different countries as well. So from the very beginning, we set ourselves the task of finding and expanding the capabilities of talented creators, regardless of whether they are located all over the world or live in our own backyard. So we strive to be champions of the world venture community, not the way it is, but the way we would like to see it. Well, as for trade, so actually cryptocurrencies appeared on the global financial market not so long time ago. And to be honest, investors treated them with a great deal of skepticism. But in recent years, they have been developing so rapidly that they become a keen object of attention. So let's say already today, cryptocurrencies that don't belong to any state are successfully used in the calculation. We also use them as a source of good earnings for tens of thousands of enterprising businessmen. And let me give you some facts about that. In 2009, you could buy 10,000 bitcoins for $1. So $1 cost 20,000 bitcoins, and at the end of 2017, and now a bitcoin costs at least $4,000. So the growth prospect of a small bitcoin is very high. And actually, futures and options of the cryptocurrency market is no longer tomorrow, but today. Yeah. So it brings investors the greatest return, not a single traditional financial tool. Well, next, actual types of cooperation. We have 3 of them. The first one is retail investors and affiliate program on the trade platform. That means that as soon as you enter iTrade, the company, you may sign up and actually become one of us. So maybe investing money depends on your goal, of course, and you may get the full information there. The second one is VIP type of cooperation, that is for investors from $100,000 and $1,000 on individual conditions. It means that you make a contract with a company, open your own account, invest from $100,000 or more. The company connects its robot remotely and trades. So by the end of the month, the robot if a robot makes a 15 of profit, and it is said in the contract that your profit is 5%, the rest 10% you have to return to the company. And you are the only one who has an access. In case of fulfillment obligation, the contract is prolonged. And the third type of cooperation is selling robots. Well, we have our own investment solutions. There are 6 packs, so I'll give you the full information about them. And as you see, the first investor pack, the amount of investment ranges from $100 to $500. You get a profit per month by 15.5%. Your profit per year is 190%, and your net profit per year is 90%. So the second investor pack ranges from the amount of which ranges from $501 to $2,500. You get a profit by 17.5% per month. 210% of profit per year, and 110% profit of net profit per year. So the third investor pack ranges from 2,501 to 7,500. So you get 18.5% of profit per month, then 225% profit per year, and 125% profit of net profit per year. So the fourth investor pack, the amount of which ranges from $7,501 to $15,000. So you get a profit by 20.5% per month, 250% of profit per year, and 150% of net profit per year. So the fifth investor pack, the amount of which ranges from $15,001 to $25,000, and here you get 22.5% profit per month, so 270% of profit per year, and 170% of net profit per year. And the last investor pack, number 6, ranges from $25,001 to $35,000. So you get 24% of profit per month, 290% of profit per year, and your net profit will be 190% per year. Well, there are, as you see, several levels of managers. They are indicated by 3 colors: green, silver, and gold. And as you see, we have 15 levels, right? I will give you the full information about them on the next slide. So as you see, we have a table consisting of status, amount of personal investment, your total turnover, turnover of the main branch, turnover of the side branch, and one-time bonus. I'll let you know what it means. So in our company, iTrade holding company gives you the opportunity to earn one-time bonuses. And actually, it is activated from the 4th level of manager. So if the amount of your personal investment is $400, and you should have 2 branches, the main one and the side one, the amount, the turnover of the main branch reaches $7,500. The same amount is for the side branch, and in total, your total turnover is $15,000. Then you get $500 as one-time bonus. Then as for so actually I may give you the full information, so one by one, but you may see it personally. And I will go down to the bottom, actually to the last 15th level. Here you see that your personal investment, the amount of which reaches actually $50,000. The turnover of the main branch is $12,500,000. The same amount is for the side branch, $12,500,000, and total turnover is $25 million. So you get $500,000 as one-time bonus. I think the amount is very inspiring and thriving. So the main line is a personally invited partner with the largest investment of the structure. The sideline is the sum of the volume of investments in the structures of all partners except for the main branch. And the turnover is taken into account to the fixed line again. Well, all is simple, guys, and if you look at our referral program, you will see that we may also get some percents actually that are mentioned here from people that we invite, right? So you may get 4% from the investment of the partner you invited personally. So 2% you get from the investment invited by your partner, and 1% is from the investment of the invited third line. An additional income in the company is an affiliate program. So by inviting new active participants, you may earn 4 to 1% of their contributions. With the right approach, this is a great opportunity to receive passive profit without investing your own funds. Well, as for the customer service, the maximum withdrawal period is 5 business days. The ability to apply for withdrawal is provided every week from 12 on Saturday to 12 on Sunday, with plus 3 hours difference, and withdrawal of funds is carried out from Monday to Friday after making a request for withdrawal. And American dollars is the single currency of accounting. You have the opportunity to replenish the account by following currencies and systems like Pay, Perfect Money, ADD Cash, Bitcoin, Visa, MasterCard, and Yandex Money, Yandex.Money. So the minimum amount for withdrawal is $10. Well, hope you get the right choice. Actually, you will make the right choice by looking to the advantages of the chances that allow us to take iTrade holding company. So I hope you will make the right decision. Wish you all the best and success in your life. So see you soon. Bye.